All right, so I wanted to create a quick video on how you can download DeepSeek onto your Windows PC. It's pretty simple to do, so let's go ahead and get started. So right here, I have deepseek.com open up. I'll leave a link in the description down below. And what we're going to do is click on where it says Start Now. You are going to need a DeepSeek account in order to actually do this. So make sure you sign up for DeepSeek if you don't already have an account. And once you do that, you'll be taken to the web version of the DeepSeek chat application, in which case we actually want to download this onto our Windows PC. So what we can do is go to the top right where you see the Chrome settings. Then we're going to come down to where it says Cast, Save, and Share. And then from here, we're going to click on where it says Install Page as App. It's going to ask us if we want to install this page as an application. Go ahead and click on where it says Install. And so what's cool now is we have a app specifically for DeepSeek that we can open up by going down to the taskbar, and we can see the DeepSeek app right here. Now we can actually go ahead and right click this and click Pin to Taskbar. So that way, if we ever close out of this, we can just simply open it up like so. It's going to open up our DeepSeek chat, and it's going to load all of our chats on the left-hand side here. And this behaves just like the web version. So we have all of our chats on the left-hand side. We have our start a brand new chat section, as well as the DeepThink R1 and the search function capabilities. We can also upload documents and attachments as well, just like the web version. So this functions exactly as on the web. It's just now we have a specific app that we can access on our Windows PC. So if this video helped you guys out, please leave a like. That's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.